Good morning to all. I am Jan Paul Viose, Teacher 1 in Tagumpay National High School. This morning, I am tasked to present to you our weekly home learning plan for MAPEH Grade 8. As you can see, our synchronous or virtual class starts at 9 in the morning. I always send 45 minutes early the Google Meet link to our group chat, and I also post it to our Facebook private group page. My learning area or our topic in first week is the music component. While in the learning competencies, I put there the most essential learning competencies or the MELTs that learners need to demonstrate in every lesson or in every learning activities. In my learning task, I remove some learning task that is repetitive and has the same goal or objectives. The one learning task that is in bold text is their performance task in music. So now let's go in the mode of delivery part. Because I'm in an online distance learning, I can able to meet my students in a virtual setup. We use Google Meet for our virtual class. I also use YouTube videos to present to them the sample performances of different music in Southeast Asia. In our asynchronous, I use Google Classroom, Google Forms, Facebook private group, and Facebook Messenger. In Google Classroom, I use it to post their learning tasks and other activities. Also, my students will send their works through Google Classroom. But for those students who can't submit their works in Google Classroom or having hard time to turn in their works, I let them send it to my messenger. While for their performance tasks, I use Facebook private groups so they will upload their works in there, but I set the settings of our group in admin can only see their works and upload para ako lang po yung makakakita ng kanilang mga gawa. For my quizzes, I use Google Forms. So this is my weekly home learning plan for MAPEH Grade 8. This serves as a guide on our day-to-day activities, not only for me, but also to my students and their parents. So that's all. Thank you for listening. God bless everyone.